How to Fix TikTok Maximum Number of Attempts Error 2025. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mastery. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the maximum number of attempts error on TikTok, so you can log back in or reset your password without frustration. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the error. When TikTok shows maximum number of attempts, it means it's blocking further login or verification attempts because you tried too many times in a short period. This is a security measure. Step 2. Wait it out. First, simply wait 24 hours before trying again. TikTok automatically resets the attempt counter, so give it some time. Step 3. Clear TikTok cache. Before trying again, clear the TikTok cache to remove old login data. Tap Profile, Menu, Settings and Privacy, free up space, then tap Clear Cache. Step 4. Use a different device or internet. Next time you try, use a different device, like your computer or a friend's phone, or switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes TikTok blocks an IP address after repeated attempts. Step 5. Reset password if applicable. If you're blocked from password verification, tap Forgot Password and follow the reset process via SMS or email. Make sure you haven't entered the wrong password too many times. Step 6. Contact TikTok support if still locked out. If you're still locked out after waiting and clearing cache, reach out to TikTok support. Go to Settings and Privacy, report a problem, then search for Login Authentication Failed, and submit your issue. And that's how to fix the TikTok maximum number of attempts error. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to How to Mastery, and comment below if you need help with any other login issues. Thanks for watching. You'll be back on TikTok in no time. Tip: in the future, double-check your password and login info before trying again. It helps you avoid the lockout timer.